Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change region on Epic Games. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Safari. Go ahead and tap on the Safari, or you can just use any web browser to change the region on Epic Games. And go ahead and search for epicgames.com. Once you search for it, make sure that you are logged into Epic Games. Once it's done, so once you are logged in, you can see the three lines or menu bar. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see several options here. Go ahead and tap on account settings, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see the country or region. As you can see, my country or region is set to Nepal right now. You can simply tap on it and just remove it and select any region that you want. Once it's done, you can just tap on save changes and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can change region on Epic Games. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.